Hi guys, how you doing? Miss David here. This is now my second YouTube video, and my first one had like 10 views, so I feel like I'm kind of becoming a YouTuber. Might become my new thing, but I hope you're all doing good, hanging in there. I know that this is weird and new for all of us, so I wanted to give you the plan because I know that while we're out, it looks a lot different, and I thought that I would start by showing you in Schoology that, and so you're here when you go to Schoology and you're in the language arts course, then there's a folder at the top called While We Are Out. And in this folder, I will click on it. There is one document. And this document, I will click on it right now and I'm going to read it kind of to you so that you don't even have to read it if you don't want. But this is all of the information that it says. So basically, um, what the plan is that there are going to be options for you to partake in for reading and writing while we are away. Think of this as a menu. You can pick and choose as much or as little as you would like. And I understand that this might be overwhelming, this whole experience of learning from home, and that you probably have a lot of information coming at you by way of text, meaning that you have to read through it all, even the directions from us teachers. So whenever possible, I'm going to also include a video like this so that you can watch it to get maybe more clarification or a better understanding is the hope. But I want you to know that the bottom line is that any reading or writing that you're doing is good. And I'm proud of you for whatever you're able to accomplish. How much you are ready to do or prepared to do or that you feel that you can do is going to vary from student to student, and I'm okay with that. So the reading and writing options are listed on this document. For reading options, you can pleasure read every day. Shoot for 20 minutes. See how far you can read. You can read a story of the week that I'll post on Schoology on Wednesdays. It'll be a short story. You can read that. You can respond to discussion questions. I'll post them every Friday, and you can respond to my question directly or to your peers. Or you can read articles, current event articles. There's a lot to read right now. Those are some reading options. Writing options, you can continue to work on your short story, the process piece that you were working on. You can journal your thoughts about what's going on. Or I've got journal prompts listed on this document. These are just ideas for you to write about. There are links in here that you can look at if you want ideas for what to write about. Your writing is not going to be graded. It will never be looked at unless you give me permission to read it or you want to share it with the class when we get back. And then I've included what a sample calendar might look like. This, you can create your own calendar, but I don't want you spending more than 2 hours per week on language arts stuff. You've got a lot of other stuff to work on, but divvy up your time reading and writing. Another little note that I added in this document is when you read like a writer. Notice the moves that writers make to make their story more engaging or interesting. What did they do well? And then when you write, play. This is a low stakes time for you to take chances and play around with words and how different you can phrase things differently to see what's successful and what feels good in your writing or what isn't as successful. So that's it. You can choose as much or as little as you'd like. You can get a hold of me through Schoology. You can email me at sarah.david@novik12.org. I really hope that you're doing well. I truly do miss you. I wish that we were in school as normal, but we're going to make the best of it. And as always, enjoy your youth. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.